Sabi ko, bahala kayo sa buhay nyo. Ibinta nyo yan. You're acting up? Are you acting up? Sana guys, makasave tayo kasi ang mahal, obviously. What time you wake up this morning?
Yeah, I woke up earlier.
Very early?
Yeah.
Good morning, Philippines!
Today is Sunday. You know, diba, nag-vlog ako very short yesterday and the other day. Wala sa mood kasi grabe yung temperature ngayon. Sobrang init. Good morning! It is 8 o'clock na. Grabe guys, yung init guys. 100 plus degree talaga yung feel talaga sa labas. Kapag lumabas ka, diba sinabi ko, kapag lumabas ka talaga, hala. Wala na pala akong bread. Lutuin natin to. Tignan natin yung temperature. Wala expiration ito. May expiration ba ito? 2018. I-try lang natin kahit ano. Ano siya ito, oh. Try natin. 2018. 19 na ta ngayon. 1 year na. May iba kasi okay pa kahit expired na. Pig and battery. Ano to siya? And then, I know how to open this. Open na. Okay naman siya. Wala namang mga mold dyan. Ito siya guys. Kuha ka lang. I-roll mo siya. Yan lang. Ito yung palagi kong kinakain noon. Breakfast. Kaya bumili ako and then hindi ko nagamit. Kainin natin guys. Ay, sus. Nandito naman ito sa refrigerator palagi, hindi ito masisira. Nakalimutan ko ilang minuto ito. Hindi ko nabasa yung ano lang oven kung masarap ito lagyan ng mga hot dogs, bacon, ganyan. I-roll mo ganyan. Ito guys, luto na siya guys. Nimpilit kay hindi ko inisprehan kasi. So yun. Pumipili, tumitigas, humuhumok, aray, nahumok pa tayo ng trepada. Nanonood ako sa laro ni Pacquiao, sa Facebook lang naman. Pero hindi ko alam kung sino yung nanalo, si Pacquiao ba or yung kalaban. Ngayon, mag-research tayo. Kasi gagawin natin yung research kasi. Yung napanood ko, yung game lang. Grabe, knockdown, 1 round. Itong si Pacquiao talaga, daming kinakain gulay. Itong si Pacquiao ba, palagi itong kumakain ng gulay. Yung pang-pobre talaga kasi, yung pang-pobre kasi yung pagkain, magbigay talaga ng ibang lakas. Kung palagi ka ng meat dyan, mga sus, yung katawan mo, katulad ng sa akin. Wala. Pero si Pacquiao, parang maraming kinakain yung okra. Talong, kalbasa. Yung mga pampobre talaga kasi sanay naman siya, di ba? So parang yun talaga yung kinakain niya. Nagduda ako talaga. Parang yun yung drugs niya ba? Gulay. Taloka naman to Manny. Manny Pacquiao Pacman from Sarangani, Surigao del Sur. Sarangani. Surigao ba yung Sarangani? Iwan ko. Gusto ko makapunta ng Jinsan-do. Ang dami ng mga ano dyan sa Jinsan ba, mga celebrity. Iwan ko anong mga kinakain nila doon. Isda lang naman. Isda, daming isda dyan. Gusto ko doon kasi parang isda talaga. Sobrang daming isda. Sabi pa ng papa ko, ibinta natin tong bahay, balik tayo sa Bukirin. Sabi ko, bahala kayo sa buhay nyo. Ibinta nyo yan. Pero pagkatapos niyan, wag nyo na akong anuhin. Wag nyo na akong anuhin na, wala na tayong bahay, ganun. Yung papa ko ba, pag mag-isip talaga, no, maluka talaga ako, guys. So, parang walang, mag-isip siya ba na mali? Nakaloka talaga. Gusto ni, sabi pa, ibinta natin tong bahay. Daming plano. Hello, pilit yun siya, guys. Hold on, guys, ha. Pilit talaga. So guys, sabi pa ng papa ko, ibenta natin tong bahay. Punta tayo sa Bukirin. Sabi ko, ayaw. Ay. Nana, bahala kayo. Basta kayo, anong plano nyo? Basta kayo ako. Kung uuwi talaga ako, Ayaw, andun ako sa Cebu talaga. Sabi pa niya, sige, kung ayaw mo, madaot daw yung kutis ko. Tapos ginuo ko ni amahan ko. Kalagot na, papa magpalagot. Parang mahilig mahilig magpalagot sa tawag sa Tagalog. Eh. And then sabi pa niya, sige, ibinta ko tong bahay. Pag maliit yung bahay nila, guys, maliit. Yeah, maliit yung pinobre ba. And then sabi pa niya, ibinta ko tong bahay, ging. Malaki man to sa amin. Sobrang liit ng bahay, pero malaki pa daw sa kanya. Sabi niya, gawa tayo. Ibinta natin to, gagawa tayo ng maliit. So, naghanap ka ng talaga ng problema. Maliit na nga yan, gagawa ka ng problema. Anong ano? Ano ka? Okay naman siya. Naghanap ng problema ng ama ko. Tawagan nga natin. Ayaw magtubag. Yung mga kapatid ko. Bye-bye. Bakit ayaw sumagot itong mga pwesto lang ba?
1 moment, please. We are calling your party.
Ayaw ko, guys. May mali, guys. May mali. May mali talaga. Pwede mo siyang kainin kung gutom na gutom ka talaga, pero malalaman mo talagang may ibang lasa na siya. May ibang lasa na siya. And I cannot eat it, guys. I'm almost done. Well, actually, not really. Almost there. But look who's here with me. Seriously, don't shut my laptop off. The power is over there. Iwan ko, I don't know what you want. I just give him food. You're staring at the screen. It's not good for your eyes, little man. Hey, Mama's editing the mukbang though. Mama's edit the mukbang. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? What is wrong with my little man? I'm trying to reply your comments. Pero somebody's lying down here. Disturbo na naman ako. Palagi na lang. You're acting up? Are you acting up? Hawakan niya yung mouth ko and I tell him not to touch my mouth. You cannot touch Mama's mouth. No touching in the mouth. What's wrong with my mouth, Hindi ko talaga magets. Paminsan ganito yun, guys. Parang sobrang loving na gustong makipaglaro. Are you watching the camera? It's blinking. It's low, but... No touching. No touching in Mama's mouth. No touching in Mama's mouth. I don't know, guys. You can hear him pairing, look. Nakatingin lang siya sa inyo, guys, kasi nag-blink. Lubat na kasi. I love this little boy. I love this little boy. I'm just sitting here for hours looking reviews of Canon G7X Mark III, guys. Oh my God. Alam ko, naalala ko itong camera ko. I bought it. Tommy actually, I asked Tommy to buy it and I will pay him. So, bayad ko na tong camera. So, that was 2015. October ata, 2015. Matagal na tong camera sa akin, pero it works great. I still love the camera. Pero guys, may nakita ako sa G7X Mark III na gustong-gusto ko. Actually, dalawa yung dahilan kung bakit parang nagka-interesado akong mag-savings ako para sa... Hold on. Yung TV, malawd. Sana guys, makasave tayo kasi ang mahal. Obviously, itong Canon, when I get this Canon, it was $700 plus. Itong gamit ko ngayon, si Mark II ito. And ngayon, like 750, you know, 749.99 is like $750. And, talaga, dalawa ng color ngayon guys, black and may pagka-silver. Yung isa is black with silver. And, yun, ang gusto ko nito guys is with built-in mic. I'm not a big thing of you know, it's really a big thing when you're vlogging and when you're walking around and you want, you know, like you're hearing some noises in the background. The built-in microphone guys, it's the best. But there is one thing that I really interested of. That you're able to do live using your Canon G7X Mark III. So you can do live at your YouTube. Yes guys. Oh my god, para akong nagtingin-tingin na ako ngayon dito. Tignan niyo. Kung magkano, kung ano, yung mga reviews. So, I have to wait maybe, kailangan ko siyang ipag-ipunan. Yeah, pag-ipunan ko siya kasi, you know, dahan-dahan tayo kasi mahal guys, mahal. While nag-iipon tayo, magtingin-tingin ng mga reviews. Yung mga talagang nagla-live na nag-review sila about
Well, good news. CarMax will buy your car if you'll buy it.
I love you. I love you. Ito ay ninggala, maning lokte ni mama mo. Himos man nakaayo. Ay, tingnan nyo guys. Good morning guys. Lunch na. Good afternoon pala. Did you see hummingbird?
No, I haven't seen a hummingbird.
They're always over there. Did you see that thing that hanging over there? On the roof. There's hanging like that bottle over there. You know the ceiling. Did you see the ceiling? Here? The edge? Mom,
Yeah.
you're not looking into it. This one, oh.
That one?
That's where they drink. This is our lunch, guys. My lunch is bread. And her lunch is bread. Mom, look, hummingbird.
Oh, I see him.
Yeah.
I'm looking at the tree. This piece here.
No, that piece. That's what I told you. That's where they drink their... That's their food. Tommy made that.
Mm-hmm.
He made it.
Yeah.
Afternoon, guys. It's 12 o'clock na, guys. We're heading to dialysis. And then after that, after dropping her off, I'm going to do grocery also for our dinner, Mom.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to do grocery also.
You're going to where?
Grocery after dropping you off. Look, Mom. Coming.
Oh, yeah, look. There they are.
Hummingbird. Oh my god, she keep drinking.
Mm-hmm.
Oy, Roxy. Oy, why you're moving, Rox? Don't move.
Those are two beautiful trees.
Yeah, they're twins. Look, it's back.
Yeah.
Hummingbird. I guess I have to put a new one over there. A fresh water. I don't know if we have hummingbird in the Philippines.
You don't have them?
I don't know.
Mm.
Nag-enjoy siya sa pagkain niya. Gustong-gusto niya yung pagkain na binigay ko. Sopa, bread, at saka cheese. I said you like your grilled cheese.
My what?
Grilled cheese. You like grilled cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Cheese with bread.
Yeah.
Time check. It's 2 o'clock already.
What time?
2 o'clock. Do you have your watch with you? No? Yeah. It's a nice day today.
Yes, it is.
It's not crazy hot.
No.
That's a nice bike, Mom. Look.
Yeah.
It's like a tricycle with no roof. Monday morning early, I'm going to bring you back to the Andrea because they will be home.
Yeah.
And you have your also your aide is coming.
Yeah, she's coming.
I think it's 12 o'clock. 12 to 4.
Yeah.
She's gonna be with you 12 to 4. What time you wake up this morning?
Yeah, I woke up very early.
Very early?
Yeah, very early.
And what you did?
I woke up, I got out of bed, and I went out, and I saw the house was all dark, and I said, it's too early.
Yeah.
I went back to bed, and I dozed off for a while, but I didn't actually sleep,
Yeah.
and then I woke up again.
I'm done. Na-drop ko na si Bianan, and then ngayon, tapos na ako nag-grocery. Konti lang yung gina-grocery ko, guys. Milk, creamer, egg. There's no milk. Egg, creamer, at saka lamb. Yun. And yun. I will see you later. Kasi sobrang init talaga. As in, yung init. Hindi makaya sa power. Hindi makaya sa power ni Gingging. Okay, alis na tayo. Ang daming magagandang sasakyan dito. Mustang, Mercedes, magandang Jeep. Ala kadra. Anyway, ang traffic dito. Whew. Alam nyo guys, yung na-notice ko dahil palagi akong di ba kakat ng grass, so palagi akong nasa ilalim ng araw, and na-notice ko yung skin ko is sobrang golden, yung parang brown ba, yung pagka-brown niya is iba. Every time I go out, yung mostly mga teenager, tumitingin talaga, hindi tumitingin sa mukha ko, tumitingin sila sa skin tone ko, kasi parang sa camera puti sa camera guys, pero in real life, kasi itong camera na to, pinapaganda ako kahit pangit. So in real life, siya, golden brown, hindi golden ba yung morena na pero hindi siya sunog, pero kung palagi akong talagang hindi mag-jacket, sunog na talaga ako. And kapag ko dito, mas puti itong dito, o mas iba yung color dito kaysa dito. And at saka naglalagay ako ng lotion, yung lotion na Eucerin. So yung skin ko is makintab, kasi tawag nito, yung lotion na yun is nagpapakintab ng nagpapaganda ng skin. Eucerin guys, lotion, yung pinaka high, because may sila may level yung pinaka mild, yung pinaka high yung sa akin. So paglagay ko talaga is parang nag-spark yung skin ko. So yun, na-notice ko lang yan sa mga kabataan dito, ang puputi-puti nila guys. Yan, iba talaga yung sa atin sa Pilipinas. Hindi talaga parang maganda yung ganitong color. To be honest with you, mas nagagandahan pa ako sa mga babae na ganito yung color. Kasi noon gusto kong pumuti. Yung high school ako, iba talaga nung high school ako, gusto kong pumuti. Alam nyo yung ginagawa ko nung high school, kasi uso noon yung Maxipil. Ginawa ko is, di ba, yung toner ba, yung Skinol, I mix Maxipil konti. So may siya, yung Maxipil sobrang strong kasi. So kapag ina-add mo siya sa Skinol, ang resulta maganda, hindi nag-peel yung mukha mo, na siya, namumula-mula lang talaga. So yun yung gamit ko noon, at saka yung lemon. Grabe. So namumula-mula yung ko, pero hindi siya halatang guys. Nag-i-skinol ka, Itong camera is there's something wrong. Bakit ba? Hi guys, time to pick mother up. Kukunin ko lang siya. Ay, malit na ako dito guys. But anyway, so I will be right back. It's time to her to call. To ano kasi 5 something na. Bye! Pahinga lang siya. Luto lang ako ng lamb dinner namin. At saka, meron pa man kaming gulay at rice, yun lang. Bukas na akong magluto ng string beans. Yep, string beans na yun bukas. Masakit yung ulo ko. Ay, finally. Nakuha ko na siya. Luto lang ako, guys.